Hello guys, this is Muhammad here. I'm back for another video. Today I'll show you how to fix Touchpad it not respond in Windows 10 or any Windows version. The first thing, you go to Windows icon. From Windows icon you go to setting. From setting you go to device. From device you go to mouse. From mouse to go to additional mouse option. You will open new window and go to hardware. You will see the touchpad is appear here. You need to enable it because I use the PC. I cannot show here. After you disable it, enable it, I mean, click apply and OK. And the last step is you go to device manager, click on it and go to touchpad or mouse. You see, right click on it. Let's click on it and you need to update the driver. Like update the driver and click automatically. You wait for a second and until that you will successfully fix the problem. If not problem is fixed, you need to go to any supplier or anyone fix your issues. It may be hardware issues or replace the new touchpad. This video for today, I hope helpful for you, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to see new stuff, and see you next time guys. Bye bye.